So hello friends, this is Snehasis Party from the team of SNIS. So in this video, we'll be having a clear discussion about one thing which I'll be noting it down. So one thing we have to keep in mind, the border disputes between two neighboring countries, the border disputes, then after economical generation hub, then after the bilateral relationship between trusted countries, then after we'll be having a clear discussion as well as a clear understanding about what the PLA soldiers are doing in two different areas of Indian subcontinent, or you can say that Indian country. So one thing we have to keep in mind, the northernmost part of our country as well as the easternmost part of our country are being affected by two major bilateral international countries, that is all about Pakistan and then after China. So how the aggressive progress and illegal occurrence of these two countries has affected immensely in our areas. So from the beginning of 2014 we have a very good cooperation with the country which has lot of economical generation. We are even using the different products which are been stipulated, which are been manufactured by these countries like China. So we have a very good cooperation, but when the beginning of 2020 has been started, we are starting boycotting the goods as well as trading equipments from the part of China. So that's maybe the reason behind the progressive or illegal occurrence of China in different spheres, in different areas, in maybe Ladakh or maybe the easternmost part of Bhutan or Nepal. So it plays a very important crucial role, that how the Chinese usually plays a very important role, because lot of in the editorial period itself it has been factorized with only one thing, that how the Chinese acceleration is been done in two countries. One is Taiwan and that is India. So why I usually gives an example of Taiwan is that they usually have their aggressiveness to conquer the Taiwan occupied areas, or you can say that democracy of China. So then after Republic of China, we can say that. Then after we'll be having a clear understanding about how the Indians are being affected from the Chinese aggressive progress or illegal occurrence in Ladakh areas, which are not even been adversely included in the Chinese border. But we also should have to know that the China's illegally occurrence in different areas and the involvement of troops in different areas of LOC, line of actual control, will definitely keep an eye that what their progress is, whether they will be attacking or whether they will be stipulating, or there is such kind of stimulated progress which has been there in the border areas of the border lining areas of Pakistan as well as China. Okay, so the squaring of again in the Himalayas height. That's the reason why the editorial has been analyzed, how the 2014 analysis from the past of 2014, there are different policies, there are different regulations, embodiments, articles which has been reconstructed progressively. That's the main thing I just want to clear you. Okay, so that's what I usually wants to say you in different impacts of modernization and aggressive focus on India by different the Jinping government, or you can say that the PLA's usual occurrence in the border of India's. Okay, then after looking ahead how the New Delhi has been progressively looking the border disputes of different countries which usually wants their occurrence or which usually wants their presence in the country itself. So that's not been possible. From the last 20 months we have been progressively observing these two countries which usually been affecting Indian economy also, we can say that. So one thing just I want to give in the beginning of the section, I have said about UAE progress. So most of the economical generation hub is been done by UAE, because lot of our economical activities have been done in UAE since the beginning of COVID-19 has been started. So most of our cricketers, or we can say that the hubs which usually been there in India is been shifted to UAE because of aggressive, we can say that because of this pandemic situation which has been arised. So that's the thing. Even the UAE is an United Arab Emirates, which is also known as Islamic State. So this state usually doesn't cooperate with, acting like a back channel, not cooperation. It usually acts like a back channel with the Pakistan as well as with the Taliban. I can say that recently we have observed that. Okay, so that becomes a very severe matter when usually we deals with the New Delhi attention with the UAE economical hub. Okay, so I hope you have got an idea about what just I want to say in this analysis. What I usually learned, what I usually studied. So these things I have already mentioned, and the points which usually makes you more clear about your essay writing as well as your article writing, or maybe for your GS paper 1, sorry, international border relationship or international relationship. It may be it usually plays a very crucial part in your answer writing. So I hope that it will definitely give a boost in writing your answers. So till then, thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot for watching my video till the last.